shower blessings upon me. And send me to tell them a story. And that's how I made to give him the glory.
So right now, you have. Watch out! I call this a boy. That now come out of my vlog, I have to pay me $5. If you don't give me $5, I'm not going to see this.
Okay, what do you
If you don't see this, you never give me $5. We have Ricky right there.
Strictly.
As they say, Sicky again.
Alfred.
Fucking Alfred. We have Candy over there. Everybody in here beating up people.
What we beating up here with that? Sit down. Sit down, Sherman. I wanted to fool you. Sit down, Sherman. Okay, sir. Oh shit.
They're mad in here, I swear to you. I mean alone have a little bit of sense in the whole house. Ricky have sense, Blue have sense. Blue is on timeout. Tell them what you did.
You know what I'm saying?
So guess what? Today, Dante sit down, Dante say him have a flight. Tomorrow. Right now me dark, me know because I'm going on lights and lights. Dante say him have a flight tomorrow. The flight is actually in a couple hours. Just put the big sad face emoji right here. Dante, I pack up right now. I rush I do everything because him flight in a couple hours and him there for a morning. We sit down a bill and I say tomorrow. I look at him check it. If you never check it tomorrow when he got airport then I run him. Right. But I go here now, I get ready now. Listen, it was a fun dope trip. I'm glad that we were able to bring a dope show to you guys. You guys saw Snake. Snake was dope. Look out for part 2. That'll be dropping soon. It might be in New York, it might be in Florida, we'll see. But guess what? The work never stops. It's only to be continued. So I'll see you guys soon. You know what I mean?
Let me get my shit.
Alfred. Alfred. Dog, when you jump for my yeah, me call the man in the man a jump dog like.
Because you know say I know say camera they me. You should go back on you know job. Lock him up.
I'm sorry, Thomas. Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
How you do that?
You was gonna kill it up there. And we about to hit the road.
Right.
By my Florida family. So long.
To you, my friend.
He's going home.
Bless them all. Tell them you're going home.
I'm going home.
Alright.
Nothing you have, guys. Get my phone just now. Brother.
Dante, the road. You know how you look blue.
Blue? Next time, alright, miserable? Never Korean, Ajo. What? Like my Korean.
Yeah, until this day, Chaba's first lizard.
Korean, man. Hey, what you with that iguana anyway? Why you asking them something? Yo, it's just a weird. Yo, serious?
Yes, weird.
My girl, what is this?
What is this one?
Laptop case.
Oh.
Yo, what is that? Rosa fry. Hey,
fry. Fry. Fry.
Don't touch me, you go on.
Just season it right.
Yo. They do that shit though on the YouTube. Later vlogs.
Up it, up it.
Right now. Yo, son,
we're about to walk into the car.
We gonna see you again when you come New York. Right?
We're about to walk Dante to the car right now. Walk him to the car. Goodbye. So now I mean to the menu is something different. Salt mackerel rundown with yam, pumpkin and sweet potato. You know what I mean? So yeah man, we're there and we're gonna do it.
You're the first guy.
Can't get them too much, but yeah. We're there and we are doing it.
My girl, my girl,
What can't KJ
my
do?
girl, she have a wine when me like. Take time when me like my girl, she have a wine when me like. Slow down when me like my girl, she have a wine when me like. Take time when me like my girl, she have a wine when me like. Slow down when me like my girl, she love to ride my bike. When she ride, I like my girl. She no wanna waste man. Me alone, she wind up her waistband. Slow wine and make up her face and she see me alone dead from day one. She's no touch, she no mess with bay man. She's no touch, she no mess with bay man. My girl,
I am doing something.
Right now you don't know, so we're there. Today dish rundown as you can see. Right now me have peel some sweet potato for dropping in the pot. Done peel my pumpkin already. Yam done in a pot. Salt mackerel boil so.
That's right.
Hold on. Yeah, we can dust it down. So right now,
Real chefing.
so I'm peel them, right?
Right. Everything.
my girl, she have a wine when me like. Take time when me like my girl, she have a wine when me like. Slow down when me like my girl, she have a wine when me like. Take time when me like my girl, she have a wine when me like. Slow down when me like my girl. Let me tell her this, no girl, me never give me out like this. The way you move when you turn and twist, Lord God, me swear me love this. Your cute little face with your pretty little lips. Move up your waistline, show off your hips. Be a man a pray when you go on like this. Girl, take the video like show you a A-list. My girl, she have a wine when me like. Take time when me like my girl.
So right now, pot of bubble. You have Ricky right there. And then you have Travis over there. Just let him blow and lock him up.
Right now, we just don't know how to do.
And we're there. Yeah man, the pot around same way man.
We watch Americans gangsters. And we have vlog for the same way we see.
Everything
in the
super.
middle of vlog today, but we have to fight it for me, you see?
Fight to fight. You come for it. Come for it to the shine. You can see yourself.
So I'm going to show the update on the pot. This is how I go. Rundown looking, rundown-ish. Oh, that pot cover
Chick,
small.
is that chick?
Chick it with this
Yeah.
spoon. You have the pumpkin and
Planting.
them are going bubble. Over this layer.
Sweet potato alone left over there, so boy.
Ooh, and
The
it's
yam them over here so already.
hot.
He run.
So, you don't know the yam.
Yeah.
Already.
Chefins.
I'm going to see my dog. We have
Now, yeah.
avocado.
Avocado in our building.
Yeah, man, I'm a thing.
Chabas not consume no dinner, no food, never without avocado, never.
Right.
Never. Me never see it. Never see it.
It's only right.
Yo, if food done right now, and none never there, he would have got the store, go look it and come back and him not consume the food.
Right. Here.
Weird.
They don't say beer. I swear to you. I don't know how to work my feelings. Come here, work out. Who can't do me them too? First I did me high. No, I'm a beer. Do not tell me something look fat.
Hey, we video on Chabas vlog, guys. Vlog interception liquor oil.
In a ramping, cause I like it rough. You love your spanking. Forget you got every day me thank him. Just brace it up on the long thing. Like oh you a wind up on the long thing. Them girl they a chat, them can't do a thing. My girl, she have a wine on me.
So vlog girl, I don't know if the food just done, just consume the food. Digest the food right now. But not tell a lie. Right now I'm tired, sleepy. Nigga right is a kick in already. but I consume some water and some milk. We probably left for now with this, we probably just upload this and like me always tell you at the end of the video them, as this go up, me I gonna start vlog again for your next one, so I'm gonna get this in a 2-day times. You know what I mean? When I get the next vlog in a 2-day times, when I'm there, I'm gonna do it mad move.